बंजा रे बंजो ओना रे बंजा, ओना रे आना रे ओना रे बंजा।
मैं इस कमीने को नहीं छोड़ूंगा, चाहे कुछ भी हो जाए। जातिवाद को हमें घर घर में फैलाना है, पर सच यह है कि उससे मैंने मारा। आज के बाद इन जैसा कोई भी आया तो उसका यही अंजाम होगा।
संसद में बजट पेश करते हुए वित्त मंत्री निर्मला सीतारमण ने नए इनकम टैक्स बिल लाने की घोषणा की है। नए इनकम टैक्स बिल के मध्यम वर्ग के लोगों को काफी सहूलियत होगी। नए इनकम टैक्स में टीसीएस की सीमा 10 लाख रुपए कर दी गई है। टीडीएस की भी सुधार करने की घोषणा की गई है।
So, average income of 1 lakh per month other than the special rate income such as capital gains under the new regime. This limit will be 12.75 lakh for salaried taxpayers due to the standard deduction of 75,000. Slabs and rates are being changed across the board to benefit all taxpayers. The new structure will substantially reduce the taxes of the middle class and leave more money in their hands, boosting household consumption, savings and investment. In the new tax regime, I propose to revise tax rate structures as follows. 0 to 4 lakh rupees nil, 4.8 lakh rupees to 4 to 8 lakh rupees 5%, 8 to 12 lakh rupees 10%, 12 to 16 lakh rupees 15%, 16 to 20 lakh rupees 20%, 20 to 24 lakh rupees 25%, and above 24 lakh rupees 30%. To taxpayers up to 12 lakh of normal income other than special rate income such as capital gains. I read that again. To taxpayers up to 12 lakh of income other than special rate income such as capital gains, tax rebate is being provided in addition to the benefit due to slab rate reduction in such a manner that there is no tax payable by them. The total tax benefit of slab rate changes and rebate at different income levels can be illustrated with a few examples. A taxpayer in the new regime with an income of 12 lakh rupees will get a benefit of 80,000 rupees in tax, which is 100% of tax payable as per the existing rates. A person having income of 18 lakh rupees will get a benefit of 70,000 rupees in tax, that is 30% of tax payable as per existing rates. A person with an income of 25 lakh gets a benefit of 1,10,000 rupees, that is 25% of his tax payable as per existing rates. Details of my tax proposals are given in the annexure.
जब टूटती है आस, जब थकती है सांस, जब रूठते हैं अपने, मुंह मोड़ता है जमाना, जब अंगड़ाई लेता है संकल्प, फिर बनती है कहानी, बनते हैं अनमिट निशान। देखिए मेरे साथ संघर्ष की दास्तां।